836 million rand. That is the value of an oxygen plant project where not one plant was delivered. A ghost company with no website and no license won a massive share. This is not an isolated case. This is a pattern.
Criminal networks are targeting supply chains in health, construction, and many other sectors. Compliance checklists are not stopping them. In the past 3 years, billions in contracts have been captured through repeatable schemes.
Costs jumped from about 3.6 million rand per site to over 10 million rand with no clear reason. That alone should have triggered a forensic review.
It should have, Gordon. Emergency procurement rules are being used as a shortcut to push through bad deals. When controls weaken, fraud moves fast.
So what must companies do right now?
First, verify every license directly with the regulator. Never rely on documents from bidders. Second, treat any cost increase above 20% as a red flag. This should trigger a forensic review.
Third, confirm joint ventures and past projects with named partners. If you cannot verify it, do not award it.
Construction faces the same risks. Bid rigging, fronting, and split contracts are common. Watch for losing bidders who become subcontractors. Check for shared addresses, directors, or phone numbers. Compare bids with market rates.
Leadership must act, record all tender decisions, rotate evaluation teams, and require site visits and audited financials for large contracts. Protect whistleblowers and investigate every report. The new rules even offer recovery incentives.
The core issue is simple. Fraud thrives when rules are bent and checks are skipped. Strong verification, clear thresholds, and active oversight protect your supply chain and your reputation.
Just remember, prevention always costs less than corruption.